Your engine's timing is dangerously out of sync, and if you ignore P0017 code, it could cost you thousands. Stick around because I'll show you the real fix most mechanics won't tell you for free. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating engine code P0017. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, it means there's a misalignment between your crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the possible causes and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What does P0017 code mean? It indicates a timing issue where the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors are not signaling in sync for the exhaust camshaft bank 1, sensor B. Common symptoms of P0017 code: check engine light, rough idle or stalling, reduced engine power, engine knocking or tapping noises, increased fuel consumption. Common causes of P0017 code: timing chain or belt issues, faulty camshaft or crankshaft position sensors, all flow problems, worn timing components, ECU or wiring issues. Here are simple methods to fix P0017 code. Method A: oil change, tools need, socket wrench, oil collection pan, funnel, new oil filter, fresh oil, airtight container. Locate the oil drain plug underneath your vehicle and place a collection pan beneath it. Use a socket wrench to remove the plug, allowing the oil to drain completely. Once drained, reinstall and tighten the drain plug securely. Locate the oil filter near the oil pan or engine. Place the collection pan under it to catch residual oil. Remove the old filter, apply fresh oil to the new filter's gasket, and install it. Tighten it an additional 3/4 turn, avoid over-tightening. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine, clean it, and remove it. Insert a funnel and pour the recommended oil amount. Check your owner's manual. Replace the cap securely. Start the engine and let it run for a minute to circulate oil. Turn off the engine, then check the dipstick wipe, reinsert, and pull it out again. The oil level should be near the full mark. Add more if needed. Transfer cooled used oil into a sealed container. Recycle it at an auto shop or recycling center. Method B: camshaft, oil control valve, tools needed, valve cleaner, multimeter, replacement valve if needed. Found in engines with variable valve timing VVT. Carefully detach the valve from the engine. Use valve cleaner to remove debris. Test resistance with a multimeter. At 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, resistance should be 6.9 to 7.9 ohms. No reading. Replace the valve, reattach the clean valve, or install a new one if faulty. Method C: crankshaft position sensor, tools needed, multimeter, replacement sensor if needed. Typically mounted on the timing cover front underside of the engine. Carefully unplug and remove the sensor. Check for contamination, for example, oil leaks. Test resistance with a multimeter. Refer to your manual for specs. No reading. The sensor is faulty. Ensure the O-ring is intact before installing the new sensor. Method D: camshaft position sensor, tools needed, multimeter, replacement sensor if needed. Found on the valve cover, cylinder head, or engine front, rear. Carefully detach the sensor. Check for contamination, for example, oil, dirt. Test resistance with a multimeter. Refer to your manual for specs. No reading. Replace the sensor. Ensure the O-ring is in place before installing the new sensor. Final tips: always consult your owner's manual for vehicle-specific details. Work in a well-lit, ventilated area and wear safety gear. Recycle used parts and fluids responsibly. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD to scanner and test drive. If the light comes back, further diagnosis is needed. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.